Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Brenda. I'm a one-home mom to 4 beautiful kids. So I'm just gonna be sharing with you some few days in my life here in Kenya. So we moved. We are now in Kenya, guys. In case if you don't know, we are now in Kenya. So these are some of my first a few days in Kenya and when we moved into this house. So I'm just gonna be sharing with you just how our week went by in Kenya, like the first week of our life here in Kenya. So the schools were already opened. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video or this few days in my life with my family. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's actually I'm trying to do a weekly vlog. So I started by yesterday. It was Sunday. I was preparing some uniforms for today, that is Monday. So today we went to Naivas. It's a supermarket here in Korea, in Kenya where I stay. So I just bought some little things since we don't have a fridge yet, so we don't buy things in bulk and all. So I just want to share with you a lot of little things that I bought for my kids for school. So yeah, let me start with these. First of all, I bought these tomatoes. Actually, I was not paying particular attention to the prices because we went late. Just wanted to go and buy and come because here we're running out of potatoes and some things for the kids for school. So we've got these onions. So I bought them a little bit ripe so that they stay long. Yes, since we don't have a refrigerator yet. Then these are tangerine, and then these are our onions. And then I also bought this watermelon. So we have to buy just a small one so that it can stay for a day or two. And then we also bought some strawberries. My kids really love strawberries, and I think they're affordable. They're going for 210 shillings, I think. So I bought 2 of these, and then I also bought, my kids really love grapes, so I bought these red seedless grapes. I bought 3 of them that my kids can carry to school, so they can carry for tomorrow is Tuesday and Wednesday, 2 days they can do that. Also for school, what else? Bought some yogurts, this one. Yum, yum, yum. And then I also bought this Greenland cheese. So it was buy one get one free. This just reminded me of Korea. I don't know, in Zim we don't have this in Zimbabwe. So yeah, I was so happy to see buy one get one free. And then we also bought this unsalted butter, and I bought these safari beef sausages. We love them, they are so nice. Like the first time I went to this Naivas supermarket, I had to ask this other lady like which sausage is nice, considering where we have been in Korea. You know, you've been meeting different types of sausages that taste differently. So she said go for this one. So since day one, we've been going for these safari beef sausages, and we are yet to try some sausages. And then we also bought this sandwich ham for their snack to school also. And then I bought these hot dog rolls so that they can carry to school. And then these also white burger buns for bakers. And I bought this chicken, barbecue chicken, for tomorrow. That's what we're going to be having for tomorrow. So this is a seasoned chicken. It's a Kenyan product. So this is the meat that we're going to be having for tomorrow for our dinner, since we don't have a fridge. And then I also bought these tortillas, chips, and this one, crackers for my kids. And we also bought some packs here for our laundry, since we are still trying to cycle in. So yes, that is it for this haul, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
want watermelon too.
I want watermelon too.
For lunch.
Tomorrow,
Uh-huh.
not now.
Yes, not now. What is not your...
I'll give you. See what I'm on.
Mama, here it is.
Oh my goodness. This is beautiful, oh. Hey, one more! Hey, one more! Hey. Sorry. No, we're worried. It's not just like, oh my God. I saw how you are good at what you do.
Sasa tufanyaje? Kitu moja ama mbili?
It's good. So guys, I don't know about you guys, but for me, my routine is the same almost every day with my kids. It's homework time. After that, it's either I iron the uniforms in the morning or I iron them the day before at night when they've gone to sleep after doing the homeworks and all. I stay back and then I actually iron the uniforms or I iron them in the morning. So this is actually my routine. It's just similar like almost every day. So let me know in the comment section if you have a routine that is just like me, like especially when it comes to uniforms. If your kids put on uniforms every day, you have to make sure that their uniforms are clean and well ironed. So yeah, that is me there. So if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're a good subscriber, thank you very much. Look up. So usually when my kids are going to school and my husband is going to work, I start doing my cleaning. So actually the good thing is these days I've got someone who cleans who helps me mostly on Mondays and Thursdays. So on Mondays she comes to do deep cleaning, and then on Thursdays too she comes. So I'm actually grateful and so thankful because if you know me, I've been in Korea for 6 years, and it was really difficult to get someone who can assist you. It's not difficult, they are there, but they are very expensive. They are very, very expensive, and it's not that we couldn't afford, we could, but you had to weigh options. When you're coming from Africa, you know what I mean. So you really have to weigh options. So on this day, I just wanted to clean my bathroom to really give it a deep clean. Because when we moved, I think it was a day after moving or two after moving, the ladies who cleaned had not done a good job. So I was just wanted to deep clean, especially my bathroom, for myself to give it a deep clean. But guys, to be honest with you, on this day, I nearly died, like really, really died. What I did, please don't try this at home. Like I mixed products, I mixed jig, and I started by pouring vinegar and soda. And I noticed that there were some stains that were stubborn, some stubborn stains. So I said, let me add a little bit of jig, guys. I could not breathe. I started coughing and coughing. So please, guys, don't try this at home. It's either if you're using just one product, you use one product. If it's jig, then you just jig and soak it. If it's if I mean jig, I'm saying what do you call it? I don't know what you call it. Yeah, for cleaning. So it's either I just use vinegar and bicarbonate of soda, because to be honest with you guys, I could not even finish cleaning the bathroom. I had to leave and open everything, all the windows and all the doors in the house for air circulation. So yeah, that is it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel. I do cooking, cleaning videos, and some traveling vlogs and some mom lifestyle. For more content, please guys just subscribe to this channel and also like and also share this video. So I was just cleaning here, and you're gonna see more of my days here actually in Kenya. So I also went to the bed area. Shops at that very same day when I cleaned the bathroom. I left it like that. I don't want to lie, guys. So I went to the bed area. I wanted to go and buy some mattresses for the family. So I had to buy some mattresses. As you saw in the first clips of the video, we were using an inflatable bed for the kids. We had only bought our mattress, so for the kids we used inflatable bed. So yeah, we had gone to, first of all, what I did is we customized the headboards for everyone, for the kids and for us. So yeah, and then we had to go to the stores to buy mattresses. So that's what we're actually doing. We went to Victoria Courts. It's also a mall in Garden City. That's where I wanted to go and buy. Actually, to my surprise, furniture was a little bit expensive for us. It's actually a little bit expensive for us. I don't know in Kenya. So we ended up doing some, especially for the this we ended up doing a customized, and also for the couch I wanted to do I actually couldn't find the couch that I wanted. The ones that I wanted were going for 645,000 Kenyan shillings. That is a lot of money, so I had to opt for I went to a factory where they do these couches. So I just gave them a sample of the couch that I want. So yeah, that is how I ended up doing it, guys. Yeah. So that is it. If you have been watching, and please guys don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like this video, and also share this video to your loved ones. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is what's the day today? Today is Thursday. Actually, I went to buy beds for the kids. I also deposited money for I went to Victoria, what is that, Victoria Courts, to buy beds for my kids, and also I deposited some money for the mattresses because we had to buy separately, since we wanted to do something custom made for the kids. So yeah, and after that I went also buy some groceries and some stuff that we needed over the weekend, since tomorrow is Friday, the Saturday is Sunday. So I actually took a cab that I took, and now I'm going back home. And I think I had actually a good day. Yeah. So yeah, watch out for more content from Kenya. Karibu, asante sana. Hi guys, before I start my cooking, I just want to share with you what some of the things that I bought today. I actually forgot the name of the What is it? Carrefour? I think so. Carrefour. I hope I am pronouncing it well. So first of all, I went to, what is that called? Is it Miniso? Yes, I went to Miniso. So I think it's an Asian shop because I just related with most of the things that were inside. So I went to buy some this floor mat. It's an for the bathrooms because hey, it was just a mess after every bath. So I bought I've bought 3 instead of 4 because they've got 4 bedrooms that have got that have in-suite, so I should have bought 4, but for now since we're only using 3, so this I bought the gray one. It's so nice, I actually like it. I bought the gray one and the blue one and the pink one for my girls. This is going to be for our room. This is for the boys' room, and then the pink one is for the girls' room. Also, I bought this one, these small bags for food for their what do you call this, for their lunches at school. So this is what I bought for them. Just like it. I hope it's going to fit, but I'm sure, but they don't have big lunch boxes. So I bought 3 of these. This one is for my boys. So for the boys I bought the same color, and then for the girls I bought different design colors. So this is for Ayanda. I hope she's going to like it. Ayanda is just so choosy. Then this one is going to be for Tandika. This is going to be for Tandika. Actually they are big. I like them because they are colorful, but next time I'll buy darker colors though, because I know they'll be so dirty. Then next I also bought goggles for swimming because they wanted them, since they do swimming almost 3 times in a week. So I bought 4 of them like this. And then I also bought this water bottle for my son, Tabo, because the one that he had, I hope this is going to stay. The one that he had said someone stepped on it. I hope, oh yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. At least I like it. So we bought this one. It has a straw, a very long straw. And I also bought cornflakes, Kellogg's for my kids. They haven't eaten cornflakes since we arrived here in Kenya, imagine. And I haven't asked for them actually. Maybe I shouldn't have bought. But it just makes things easy for me. And I also bought this sandwich hall, some wholemeal bread. It's so nice actually. It also tastes so healthy because I ate it today. So yeah. And then I bought this is pork. This is pork, so I bought this half a kg of pork and also half a kg of fresh goat shoulder meat. So it's one that I bought. And I also bought this salmon brown flour for my kids to eat tomorrow to school and over the weekends. What else? And I also bought this whole milk, farm fresh milk. I bought 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. And then I also bought Kerita Gold Pure Kenyan tea. I love this tea, so I bought this one. I actually started drinking this tea in Korea. My Kenyan friend used to bring this from Kenya. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you so much. And then I also bought, I'm trying actually sausages. So today I bought this beef sausage value pack. I hope it's nice, like the ones that we usually bought, the, what do you call this? Oh, what do you call it? Safari beef sausages. And then I also bought crepes for my kids for tomorrow, carry tomorrow. And yeah, mosquito, my kids have reacted with mosquitoes, So I ended up buying these electric vaporizer mosquito killer, repels and kills mosquitoes. It's the one that I bought. So I bought two, one for the girls room and one for the boys room. If it works well, then we'll add it in our room. I hope I'll have to read actually if it's good, or I hope it's not going to affect my kids. Okay, and lastly, I also bought these eggs for breakfast. Yeah, that is it for today, guys. So that is it for today. That is what I managed to do for today. I went to the bed, as I said before, and that was that's what I had to do actually today, and also go to the supermarket and buy some grocery stuff, that was the things that we needed. So yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. I'll see you in my next upload. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Asante, karibu. Don't forget, I also bought this inner. I also bought this inner for my bed, which is not yet here yet, and we haven't bought it, but by faith, by fire, I bought this inner already. I just liked it because it is cotton, 100% cotton fabric, as you can see. So that's why I bought it, and I thought it was actually affordable, and it's actually, yeah, the price was good. So yeah, that is it.